Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am here at IMTEX 2025 at Italian Trade Agency booth, and I'm happy to meet Mr. Giovanni Gualco. Good to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
And we want to understand more about your company, your products, your offerings.
Okay. Gnutti is a company, Italian company, placed in Italy, in Ospitaletto, nearby Brescia. And this year we celebrate 70 years of S.P.A machine. We are one of the oldest company worldwide to make a special purpose machine, or let's say tailored machine designed according to the customer need. So we are a niche of machine tools, but our machine are, I would say, are the most complex machines you can find all over the world. Because we can start from 4 spindle up to 60 spindle. From 4 axes up to 200 axes, working simultaneously. How is your Mac? Who are our customers?
Yes.
Our customers are everyone who makes parts in volumes.
Yes.
Okay? So you need our machine when you have to produce more than 500,000 parts. Okay? So India could be one of our future markets.
Yes.
Because here, 1.6 billion.
Yes.
So if you need taps, how many million of taps do you need in a year? Which are our target field, application field? Pneumatic, hydraulics, fittings, taps, electronics, automotive. We don't have any limit. And as we don't have any limit in material, we can work any kind of materials. Because I repeat, our are S.P.A machine, so tailor-made.
Yes.
So we start from a point of view opposite from any other machine tool maker. You give us the drawing, the part,
Yes.
or the family of parts you want to work, and we do the machine accordingly. That is our way to make machines.
Interesting. I love the way when you said millions of parts, and like you rightly said, India is growing.
Yes.
And the demand will grow in future, and this is the right time for your company to be looking at India.
Yes.
For your products. My next question is, today is day 2 of the show. What sort of people you have met? What sort of discussion? How's the 2 days for you?
The first day of every show is starting day.
Yes.
Today we have had quite good visits.
Okay.
And some inquiries
Oh.
for some projects,
Okay.
mainly in pneumatics.
Pneumatics. Yeah.
And we also introduced it because in India nowadays you are very used to work from bar.
Yes.
And we have a new line of bar machines which are in competition with multi-spindle lathe.
Oh.
And this was the purpose of today's meeting request.
Well, thank you, Mr. Gualco. And ladies and gentlemen, do visit the Gnutti booth at Italian Pavilion, hall number 2B, booth number A128B, and don't forget to say hello to Mr. Gualco. Lovely gentleman. Thank you,
you
sir.
so much for coming and visit us.
Wish you a great show.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.